Did you know after treating over 10,000 patients with arthritis, swelling, and stiff joints, I discovered a shocking truth. Out of hundreds of spices that people rave about online as miracle joint pain relievers, only 3 actually work at the cellular level. The rest, they're just flavoring. But these 3 don't just mask pain temporarily. They switch off inflammation at its source, right where the body begins breaking down joints. Guess which spice comes in first place? Surprising researchers because it regenerates joint tissue faster than any drug, without a single side effect. Before I reveal it, comment below. Which joint troubles you the most? Knees, hips, or hands? We read and respond to every comment. Your story might inspire someone else to heal naturally. Imagine this. Mr. Thompson, 72, had tried every drug imaginable, from ibuprofen to strong prescription medications. One morning, he walked into my clinic with a cane, moving slowly and painfully. 6 weeks later, he returned, and the cane was no longer needed, slung casually over his shoulder. He smiled. "I don't need this anymore. This isn't rare. It proves one thing. Your body isn't breaking down, it's inflamed. When given the right tools, the body heals faster than most people believe. These tools are what I call the Golden Trio Protocol. 3 ancient spices, proven to reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and regenerate joint tissue. Starting with number 3, the almost forgotten spice, long pepper, Pipali. A cousin of black pepper, long pepper grows in the forests of India and Sri Lanka. At first glance, it looks small and wrinkled, but inside lies a potent compound, Piper longumine, called by Ayurveda doctors, the fire that burns away pain from within. What's remarkable, long pepper doesn't just calm inflammation, it switches off inflammatory enzymes at the genetic level, specifically COX2, just like ibuprofen, but without damaging your stomach or liver. Doesn't 18. Study on arthritis-induced rats showed long pepper reduced joint swelling by 70% in just 72 hours, faster than the standard drug diclofenac. Additional benefits: boosts digestion, reduces toxin buildup that worsens inflammation, improves circulation, blood reaches joints better, reducing swelling and stiffness. Real-life story, Mrs. Patricia, 69, couldn't even hold her coffee cup in the morning. After drinking Pipali in warm milk with turmeric and honey, within 2 weeks she could open jars, and after 1 month she stopped taking ibuprofen completely. Her inflammation markers dropped by 30%. How to use? Start with 1/8 teaspoon daily in warm water, milk, or tea. Combine with turmeric and black pepper. Enhances effect. Ayurveda calls this tri-spice therapy, improving joint flexibility, metabolism, and inflammation simultaneously. Next, number 2, the spice that literally reprograms your nerve signals, cloves. You've probably smelled cloves during holidays. The active compound, Eugenol, has been used in dentistry for over a century to relieve tooth pain. The secret: Eugenol targets nociceptors, the nerves that detect pain, blocking pain signals to the brain while also reducing inflammation at the source. 2019 studies, Eugenol reduced TNF-alpha and IL-6 by up to 45% in adults with osteoarthritis. Pain intensity dropped 53% after just 7 days, with no side effects. Real-life story, Mrs. Irene, 70, struggled with severe hand arthritis. After drinking clove tea and applying diluted clove oil on her wrists, within a week her fingers felt less swollen, and she could play piano again. How to use: steep 1-2 cloves in hot water for 10 minutes. Massage a few drops of diluted clove. Oil into joints. Never apply pure oil directly. It can irritate skin. Cloves act like a precision tool. A small amount gives big results, calming pain fast while protecting joints. Finally, number 1, the spice that stunned researchers. Mace, Javitri, the delicate red membrane surrounding nutmeg. Unlike long pepper and cloves, mace doesn't just reduce pain and inflammation, it stimulates joint tissue regeneration and boosts collagen, rebuilding the cushioning that keeps bones from grinding together. Key compounds: myristicin, elemicin, eugenol, producing triple action. Anti-inflammatory, like natural corticosteroids without immune suppression, analgesic, desensitizes nerve endings, regenerative, promotes collagen synthesis, and improves synovial fluid. 2022 study. Mace versus celecoxib, arthritis drug. After 30 days. Pain reduction, 58% improved joint flexibility, 40%, no side effects, real-life story, Mr. Henry, 72, knees almost worn out from construction work. His daughter added a pinch of mace powder to his soups and tea every morning. Within 6 weeks, he could stand and walk confidently, regaining mobility and independence. How to use I-1814 teaspoon daily in warm drinks or soups, ideally with healthy fats for absorption. Soak overnight in warm water. Activates fat-soluble compounds in spices for better absorption. Infuse in herbal ghee or oil. Delivers bioactive molecules deeper into tissues. Improves joint lubrication. Make a warm, golden brew. Mix all 3 spices with warm milk or water and a few drops of healthy oil. Heat, plus fat, plus spice. Pulls inflammation out of tissues. Avoid aluminum cookware. Aluminum can leach into food, accumulate in joints, and trigger chronic inflammation. Pair with magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium relaxes muscles and nerves, regulates electrical activity, and enhances healing deficiency. Worsens stiffness and pain, so the 3 golden spices for joint health. Long pepper switches off inflammation, boosts circulation, aids digestion. Cloves blocks nerve pain, reduces inflammation, protects cartilage. Mace rebuilds cartilage, improves joint fluid, reduces pain and inflammation. The real secret is in the preparation. Soak overnight, infuse in oil, ghee, drink warm, avoid aluminum, pair with magnesium. Your body isn't breaking down. It's inflamed. Give it the right tools, and it can heal faster than you think. If this video opened your eyes or gave you hope, like and share it so others know the spices in their kitchen can transform lives without prescription drugs. Comment below. Which spice will you try first? We read and reply to every comment. Your story could inspire and heal someone else. Remember, sometimes the strongest medicine isn't in a pharmacy, it's right in your kitchen.